This is why you need skilled tradespeople more than ever. AI is cool, but it's no match for the hands-on skills of plumbers, electricians, and other trades. These pros spend years mastering not just what to do, but how to do it. Imagine renovating an old house. Every building's a puzzle, and a seasoned plumber knows exactly how to solve it. Electricians? They don't just follow instructions. They decode wiring mysteries and blend new tech with ancient setups. And those little trade secrets? Like choosing the right tool or nailing a tricky workaround? Pure gold from years of experience. And let's not forget the muscle. Moving heavy stuff, squeezing into tight spots, and handling complex gear. It's a workout AI can't handle. So next time your faucet leaks or you need a new outlet, remember, AI can assist, but it can't replace the magic of skilled trades. Thumbs up to our tradespeople. Like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more awesome content. See you next time.